What's going on, everybody? So today I have my new headlights that just came in, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox those and show those to you, and then I'm gonna do an install video on them. So this is what the other box inside that box looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one open. So I went ahead and got some Auxbeams. Just got these off Amazon. They're 6K, and from what I've heard, they're extremely bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them a shot, because I typically have an issue with like being able to see okay at night in my car, especially in the rain. So I'm hoping these will help out, but we will find out. All right. So inside the box, got, I guess, directions in this packet. Comes with a few stickers, that's kind of cool. And then the lights themselves. So the package really nice, look really good. So these are like a direct plug and play. You don't have to get any other harnesses or anything like that. It'll just fit right in. So I'm pretty excited about these. These are the high and low beam lights. So that'll be really nice. So we'll go ahead and take the camera out to the garage and get these installed. Alright, as you guys can probably tell, this is not the garage. So I never got around to filming the video. So we're back in my apartment in Nashville, about to go ahead and install these headlights. So popping the hood, gonna go around to the front here. Also, I guess somebody's moving in and they have a new Raptor. I kind of like it. I like it. I don't like the wheels that much. They're kind of weird. But today, like I said, we're installing the Auxbeam LED headlights. It's gonna be a little difficult to get my hand down in there, but I should be able to. This side should be a little bit easier, but we'll have to see. I'm not sure what this wiring is to. I guess that's the front headlight. I don't know. This is all kind of messed up over here, which I don't know why. But we're gonna go ahead and get these. Bring them over. So you guys already saw me unbox these, so I'm just gonna kind of go ahead and get right into it. So don't need these yet, but starting off on the S197 Mustang, obviously you gotta kind of reach down in here to get to the headlight. So if it's your first time, obviously the bulb is right in there. So you kind of follow it up and realize that the bulb is actually right down in there, which, hang on, I'm gonna see if I can focus on it. Come on. All right, it's right there, promise. So I'm gonna go ahead and reach down there, and basically what you do is you just kind of twist it out. Just kind of twist it out. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do real quick. So I'm already running into an issue. I believe that the headlight over here is not OEM. So like the harness for it, where it plugs in. So that's gonna present an issue trying to get this one out. So I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the driver's side. See if that's a little easier. So like I thought, the intake's kind of in the way here. But I should be able to get my hand in there. I can just get it past this initial point. So for ease of doing this, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the filter off. It's kind of getting in the way, and it's pretty big. So I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen that and take it off. Hopefully that'll make this a little easier on us. So like I said, just went ahead, loosened the coupler on this, and it came right off. So now we have plenty of room to go ahead and get in there and take this off. So I'm just gonna set the filter down and go ahead and keep getting after it. Jeez, that was on there. So looking at it, there's actually a bunch of corrosion in it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, you probably can't see that. There's a lot of corrosion in there, so that's kind of gross. Happy we're replacing that. So we'll go ahead, take the Auxbeam one, which is way nicer, and go ahead and plug that in. So it just plugs right into the stock port right here, and it should be good. Before we put it in, we're gonna go ahead and test it, make sure it turns on. All right, it works, so super bright too, which is what we want. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back in here. So the fit is really nice. It goes right in, locks into place, and it actually has its own seal as well, so you can kind of see it's in there down there. And there it is, just hanging out in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the headlight on, give you guys a quick comparison. So there's the Auxbeam light, cool white color, as opposed to this halogen. So huge difference. And this one looks way better. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the high beams on too. Yeah, high beams are definitely super bright. Definitely an improvement. All right, so I got both of them in. There's corrosion on them both, which is a little concerning, but both in. They look way better than the last ones did, so I'm really happy with them. Joe got home when I was filming this. What do you think of them?
They look dope.
Yeah, they're better. Also, thoughts on the new neighbor? Hopefully it'll be one more person that's on our side with things and doesn't yell at us, or yell at me. No one else has been yelled at yet, but yeah, it's a clean Raptor. But anyway, I'm excited about these lights. I'll have to show some clips or pictures from nighttime once I actually can see them and use them. So, should be really bright. I'm excited. I went ahead and put the filter back on, tighten that down. I think it's about how it was before, so hopefully there's no issues there. But yeah, it's pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and take these connections and put them up a little higher where they can't get water on them again. So that's the plan right now. But other than that, they're done. And after this, I'm just gonna have some clips of them at night. But really stoked. They went in super easy. They twist into place perfectly, as opposed to some HIDs I've had before in other cars. So yes, I know this is cracked. I need to get the lenses fixed or new headlights or something. But this is a good temporary fix, and they look really good. So I'm excited. Gonna go ahead and change the wiring around so water can't get in, then wrap it up and include some clips of them at night. I forgot to clarify in the video, to get the actual light bulbs out, what you want to do is there's two tabs on each side, and basically you just kind of grab it and you can kind of feel which way it will give, and you twist it and it'll come undone and then you pull straight out. So pretty much what you're undoing is the tightness, which seals it from condensation, and then you pull it out. And after that, it's easier to take the OEM clips off and then put the new bulb in, and then you put it back in the same way and twist it and it'll go right back in. So I wanted to add that for those of you that are going ahead and doing this. Super easy. It took me about 5 minutes once I figured out what was up with the wiring and stuff, because it looked a little weird, and I had to take the intake filter off too. So it's a pretty quick process and a big change. I'm really excited to see them at night. So that's it.